Coffee is life for graphic designer. Okay, I just kidding. Today I will show you how to design a coffee poster by using Photoshop 2025. If your first time, please subscribe and turn on notification. And if you have a question, let me know in the comment. So let's get started the video. Now I create a new document. I use shortcut Ctrl N. I customize it on preset detail. I use centimeters, width 21, height 27, resolution 300 pixel inch, color mode RGB color 8-bit, background content I put white, advanced option sRGB, pixel aspect ratio 12 pixel, and I click on create. This is my interface for design. Before design, I save this document. I go to file and choose save as for the first save. Choose the place you want to save. This is file name. Save as tab, choose Photoshop PSD and click save. For next step, I add a solid color. I click on create new fill or adjustment layer and choose solid color. And OK. For next step, I make the background noise. I use rectangle tool. For the fill, I choose the color like previous background. I click to pick the color. OK. For next step, I go to filter. Choose noise, add noise. Click on convert to smart object. Amount I put 30. Distribution I choose uniform and I click on monochromatic and OK. Next I use rectangle tool to add a rectangle. Fill I choose the same previous. I add inner shadow. I stand on it and I click on effect. Choose blending option. I click on inner shadow. Blend mode I choose multiply opacity, I put 90. Angle I put 90 degree. Distance 3 pixels. I untick on use global line. Crop I put 22. Size I put 50. And OK. Next step I add main subject. I insert this. I need 3, so I Ctrl J to duplicate layer. I convert to smart object first and Ctrl J and close the eyes. I drag the first layer below rectangle. Next step I make it blur. I go to filter. Choose blur and choose Gaussian blur. Radius I put 50 pixels and OK. I open the eye of layer 1 copy. Right click and create clipping mask to mask the subject to the rectangle. And for next step I want to add shadow below the main subject. I add a new layer. I use brush tool. I choose soft brown. Color I choose black. OK. Next step I work on this layer. I open eye and I add layer mask to it. And I choose brush tool. I choose soft brown. Color make sure it's black. Opacity I put 100. And brush it. This area and this area you see the white shadow it from the first layer. So I remove it by put layer mask to it, and I use brush tool. For next step, I add shadow over here, and I use adjustment brush tool. This one. I use brightness contrast and paint it. And take a look to property. If you don't see, go to window and tick on properties. I decrease brightness to dark. And I customize it. I Ctrl T, right click and choose warp. And okay. And for next step, we add text. I use text tool. You can tap or Ctrl V to paste. And next step, I show you how to export it. For export, I go to File, stand on Export and choose Quick Export as JPEG. And choose the place you want to export. And click on Save. Okay, finish. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. And if you have questions, let me know in the comment. See you next video.